Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make video playlist on blogspot websites. So the firstly that we're gonna do is going to blogspot blogger.com and then sign in with your Google account, and then this time we're gonna click on the theme here, click on that, and the next click on the drop down menu and select edit HTML here. So click on that, and when we are on this code areas, we need to download file that I have put it inside my description below, so you can download it and you will get the HTML code. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, you will got this code here that is just below the head text, and inside the head text we're gonna put this code here. Right click on that and then copy it, and then we're gonna pass it just below this code area here, because in this one telling you that we are going to just below the head text here. So now we're gonna pass it here. Go ahead and pass this code here. Okay, and the next we're gonna click anywhere inside the code areas by pressing Ctrl F to find the closing head text. Now I'm gonna type in like this, heads. Okay, now I'm gonna type in like this and click enter to find this closing text. When you are already clicking on this one, it means you see this is a closing of the head text here. And the next steps, we gonna copy the styles CSS here by selecting like this. Select all this code here. It's starting from this place. So now I'm gonna select all this code here. It is number 2. Okay, and right click on that and then click on copy, and then we pass it just below the head text, just like this. It is below the head text. So now I'm gonna pass this code here. Okay, and the next step is we're gonna go to the closing body text. Now you have to find this body text here, that this is the open body text, but the closing body text is have the slash mark. So click anywhere inside the code area and press Ctrl F to find it. Okay, here is the closing body text here. So now pass this code here just below it, and the next step is we're gonna to the post area. So we keep step number 5, and then before you do this, you need to back up everything first before you click save. Now I'm gonna click on save here. Okay, now we're gonna return, and these steps we're gonna go to the post here, and we're gonna starting the video playlist testing. Now I'm gonna type in video playlist testing, And the next step is we're gonna click on this one that called HTML view, and then copy all the code that start with div ID and ending with script. Now copy this code and then pass it here, and this is the URL of the file of your video. Just inside that you can change the video URL if you want, and the title and the description here, so you can change everything. But now I'm not gonna change, so I'm gonna publish first and click on confirm. And now we have one post here. Now click on view, and you will see that the row is not playing, but you can see others just inside that all the file, all the playlist is look like this. And because the title is typing the question mark just like this, so you can change to your own if you like it. And the row is will be load to this, and I'm gonna show you the next video how to fix the row video that are completely showing error like this. So thank you for watching.